My name is Robin Thomas, and in this video, we are going to show you how SteamQuest actually works. Now this is SteamQuest. You can use SteamQuest to predict the future value of items from these three games, PUBG, CSGO, and Dota 2. Now what exactly is Steam? Steam is a video game digital distribution service by Valve. So now, we go to the Steam market, search for an item from PUBG, and we notice that there are 340 items in this game. Now let's open one of these. This is the gold plate AKM, and this is the price history for the past 3 years. Now we can see that the value of this item goes up and down with time. Now what if I told you we can predict what the price of this gun will be in 30 days? Let's try it out. First we log into SteamQuest. You have to log in using Steam, and once you're authenticated, you can search for an item. Now the item we were looking for is a gold plate AKM. Here it is. Now we can see the same price history graph that we saw over here. Like, we have the price history for the entire duration since this item was released. So if I look at this, now you'll notice the two graphs look pretty identical. Now this is our prediction for the next 30 days for this item. Now why did we choose SteamQuest as a project? Is there actually any benefit behind this? Well, let me demonstrate this with an example. This is an item, the Shattered Web Case, which was launched about 5 or 6 months ago. This was the price on June 11th, 114 rupees. This is the current price, 136 rupees. As you can see, since between these two dates, there's a rupees 20 difference. Now let's assume someone bought 100 or so cases on June 11th and sold them today. He would make a profit of 20 times 100, which is 2000 rupees. Okay, now this was kind of a small scale example. Let's see a bigger one. This is a skeleton knife slaughter from Counter-Strike Global Offensive. This was the price on the 31st of May. It was roughly 90,000. Now it is 1 lakh. Now it is 1,07,000 rupees, a difference of 17,000. Now imagine someone bought like 10 or so of these. He would have made a profit of roughly 2 lakhs. With SteamQuest, we can help you identify such items which can make you earn a massive profit. This is the model, and this is why we believe that SteamQuest can indeed make a difference. Now what are the various pages in our website? Once you log in, you'll be greeted by a message saying hello and your Steam profile name. You can now see the games that are offered currently. This list will be added with more games in the coming days. This is who we are. We are students from VIT, Chennai, and we are Team Quest, Quality Engineering and Software Technologies. This is how we work, and you can see a demo video if you click on this. This is our team. Now Vishal Kumar was the backend developer. I was the front-end developer. Ashwin Kumar and Shyam Sundar Maile were the data analysts. This is a small carousel displaying various codes from our team members. And this is a form which you can fill to get in touch with us. You'll be greeted by a thank you page where we thank you for your valuable feedback. We will reply to you in a couple of days. After that, we have a few more additional sections over here. We have an FAQs page where commonly asked FAQs are answered by our team. We also have a terms and condition page. We also have a loading screen. And a 404 error page. This page will be displayed if you happen to select an item which is not currently available, or if you have entered the wrong link over here by accident. You can log out of our website using the logout button over here and you'll be logged out. I would also like to add that our website is completely responsive. That means that you'll get a very good performance whether you're using a computer, a laptop, a tablet, or a mobile device. Let me demonstrate that. This is how it will look on mobile screens. You can see that the complete header area has been shifted to a nav bar with a drop down design. This is how the FAQ section looks on a mobile device. As you can see, it's completely designed to make it provide a seamless experience for our mobile users. The terms and condition page is also completely responsive. Now I'll like to show you a bit of the code. This is our index.js file. Here's a brief look at our directory for SteamQuest. We have various JavaScript files, bug files which are basically templates, CSS files, fonts, images. These are the images which you see in the website. We have deployed this website using Heroku and is publicly available at steamq.herokuapp.com. Thank you. Now Sham will explain how exactly the predictions work.
Hello ma'am, this is the website I was talking about. It's SteamQuest. So basically, SteamQuest is a website application where we used to predict the future price of a particular item. So it will be easy for us to trade between the items. So we'll know when it is better to sell or when it is better to buy the item. So some part of the front end would be already explained by Robin or Robin mostly. So I'll just show you how the website looks. So this is the main part. Currently, we have been working on PUBG, CS:GO, and Dota. We already started working on predictions. We only restricted it to 100 items because PUBG has only 360 items. CS:GO and Dota has more than 10,000 items, and each item has lot of days with data. So predicting, we can predict the model, but the thing is that for each by the time we finish predicting for CS:GO, that is Counter Strike Global Offensive, it'll be approximately a week. So we have the time duration which is of a problem. So for now we just work for PUBG. So I'll just show you how it works for PUBG. So first we need to log into the website, ma'am. So we do this using SteamQuest. So I'll just log in once again. So once we log in, we can search for any item you want, which you want the future price of the particular item. So let me say for now, Jungle SKS is one of the weapons which is quite common in this thing PUBG. So I'll just search. Give me a second. So yeah, this is the price history of the particular item, and based on this price history, we train the model and we use it for prediction of the next 30 days. So what we try to do for predicting the upcoming 30 days, first we try to use we train the model for with the entire data for 80% of the data we train the model. After which we tested it for predicting the upcoming days. So first we tried using LSTM, that is long short term memory model. So what this does is basically takes the past 40 days. We put a threshold of 40 days. So it'll take the past 40 days of the item, and then we'll predict the future the upcoming days. So consider today is July 11th. So we'll take of the past 40 days, that is from July 1st till 10th, and the June month to predict tomorrow. So for predicting June 13th, it'll take past 39 days with June 12th's prediction and predict June 13th. Like this, we have been doing it for 40 days for LSTM model. But the thing is, LSTM models for the final 40th day, it showed a pretty accurate prediction. But for the rest of the days, the test value, the actual date, actual price, and our price was not matching very well. That is why we thought of going with automated model, which is a predefined library in Python, which has all the time series models already present in it. So what we tried is we installed the library in our this thing, and we trained the model with based on that library. It has all these models like AutoArima, Profit, and NBeats, and then even LSTM was there in it. So we used all this. We tried using Ensemble because with that we'll get the best value. But the thing is, in Ensemble, with each item there'll be at least a year of data with price varying. So it has to work on all these predictions to predict the upcoming days. For first, it has to train the model, and it has to then use it for prediction. So Ensemble was giving a pretty accurate value, but it took a lot of time for each item. For predicting one item value, took around 15 to 20 minutes. So which for PUBG itself took a lot of time. So we decided to choose the best out of all the models which was present in library. So that's where we found NBeats. NBeats is like similar to the Steam price, which keeps varying every now and then. The NBeats model also has generally is able to capture spikes. So that's why we decided to use NBeats. With NBeats, we predicted for now 30 days. We can increase to 40 days if you want, but for now we restricted to 30 days. That's how we got this prediction. So this is how we did the prediction.